So, I've stressed two things. I've stressed this idea about BODMAS and this idea of moving left to right. But we don't exactly know, and I've had some questions from you. You're getting a bit confused. Do I move left to right, or am I using BODMAS? Like, do I plus this guy first, or do I do the brackets? I don't really know. That's what I'm here to clarify. So, I thought up a really good analogy. It's like reading a book. You know you have to read a book left to right, but you also need to know how to read the words. How you read the words and the order in which you do it is BODMAS. But you just know from nature that you read from left to right. That's what you guys need to understand. So we start here on the left and we move to the right as we move through each of our BODMAS things, as we move through brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So I'm going to do that out loud with this actual problem. So BODMAS, the first thing I'm looking for is brackets. Okay, so I start here and I move down the right. Okay, found my first bracket, this guy. I've got +2, I've got a plus, and I've got a minus. Okay, what that is saying, I am multiplying. Brackets mean multiply. I am multiplying a positive by a negative. Now I remember my rule. When I multiply or divide, if my signs are the same, it's a positive. If my signs are different, it's a negative. So this line will be -2, -4 divided by -3 plus 1. Okay? That's the first thing. Then I keep on moving. So now I'm on this line. I start on the left here and I move my way onto the right up until I found my next bracket. And there's actually something within this bracket that I need to work out. So I leave the rest the same. -2 -4 divided by. Now I've got -3 plus 1. -3. I'm starting in my negatives and I'm moving as I'm adding a +1. -3 plus 1. -2. Now, some of you might be sitting there saying, but wait, hold on, that's an addition. It may be an addition operation, but it was within brackets. There are these brackets here, which means with my order of operation, if it's within a bracket, I have to do it first. Okay, so again, now on this line, I'm up to orders. I start on the left and I move to the right. I see no orders, okay? Again, I start on the left, I move to the right, whoop, I've got a division, okay? I see my division sign just here. What I will therefore do is I look at the division and I look to see what is to my left and what is to my right. I am dividing -4, pay attention to the value, by -2. So I'm dividing -4 by -2. -4 divided by -2. Two negatives, one negative divided by another is a positive. So it's pretty much the same as saying 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. +2 is the main thing that I need to put in here. So +2. So -4 divided by -2 is +2. Pretty straightforward. Now, the answer, -2 plus 2. Pretty simple. I'm on a negative and I move up towards a positive. 0. That's my answer. Pretty straightforward, guys. So moving from the left to the right, yeah, it's important, but it's more really how I attack the problem. BODMAS, it tells me what operation to do first. Left to right is how I read it, but my order of priority is BODMAS.